Here are the voices of Kolkata Rongmei Christian Fellowship. And as the Lord has summoned us to do His mission, we are here delivering the living words of the Lord. And I believe through these voices it will help people in drawing nearer to Him, as it was promised in a Bible verse, James 4:8.
Verse 33, it says, "But seek ye first the kingdom of God and His righteousness, and all things shall be added unto you." This verse, it means that before we do anything, if we give our life to Jesus, everything will be given to us.
Only the little reminder of God's presence and His love for us. The most well-known verse of the Bible, John 3:16 says, "For God so loved the world that He gave His only begotten Son, that whoever believes in Him shall not perish, but have everlasting life." This is the greatest love for all.
So these days, in these modern times, all the youths and all the people, they are lost away, or they are fading away, or fading their faith that God doesn't really exist. But God exists for me and for everyone. God loves you, everyone.
I can do all things through Christ.
One of my favorite Bible verse, that is Matthew chapter 11 verse 20. "Come to me, all you weary and burdened, I will give you rest."
Here to just give you a short descriptions about Rongmei Christian Fellowship in Kolkata. And here we have enriched every walks of our life in terms of physical, spiritual, and as a Rongmei, we are glad to be here and to be part of this fellowship.
We'll be sharing a few verses from the book of Matthew chapter 28 verses 18 to 20. Now before that, supposing if I have been with you for a long time and one day if I'm living with you, then I will be telling you a few the good things that I have told you to remember, right? So it is at this situation Jesus was saying to His disciples to go make disciples of all nations, baptizing them in the name of the Father, and of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit, teaching them to obey everything I have commanded you. Jesus has commanded us to love our God with all our hearts, minds, and souls, and to love our neighbors as ourselves. Right? And I believe it is the responsibility of each and every Christian to spread the good news to the whole world. And friends, let us be the true disciples. A disciple is not just a mere believer. A disciple is someone who believes and who practice and follow His teachings. And in the last verse, Jesus said, "Surely I am with you always to the very end of the days." Friends, nothing fear, no doubt and no fear, because Jesus is with us now and forever. Amen. God bless you.